YouTube, I'm Freely from YouTube and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to color grade your vlogs. So color grading vlogs and cinematic footage is a different thing, because in vlogs you have to record yourself too much, you have to talk to the camera, so you have to care about your skin tones, while in cinematic footages you can compromise with the skin tones. So I'm going to teach you, and in my way, because my way of editing is completely different than other people's. So in my opinion, in vlogs you have to just do color correcting, and if you want to apply LUTs you can do that, but first of all you need to color correct, and that is important, because if you use LUTs first then you cannot color correct your footage, because you will end up getting some really messed up colors. So first of all you need to color correct. We're going to use Final Cut Pro for this. So I use natural colors, and that's why it ended up looking really good, and people can be watching the video without their eyes hurting, because I have noticed this: when you add too much teal and orange, or you add too much sharpness, then the video is not so pleasing to the eyes. So I hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.